racing our GT3 cars at Nurburgring coming up next. Hello everybody, welcome back to another exciting GT3 race series. Tonight is our final night in this league, and I've brought my Mercedes right down here so that we can race on Nurburgring. And if you want to build this amazing track, I have a special video over on my Masterclass series where I get to show you how to build this great track, and you won't want to miss that. At the end of this video, you can follow the link up there. It's on Patreon, or if you want to see it now, check our link below. And don't forget to stay tuned at the very end, where I will be giving you information about this great Carrera tow truck giveaway that we are doing. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this channel with all your friends and family. Pound the notification bell so that every time I make a new video, you are the first to see it. And now, without further ado, let's go down to the races. Guys, tonight, Craig's made his triumphant return at the last race of the week. So it's to be definitely great.
4 laps. Yep.
Here we are once again at our wakeboard, and it was a pretty amazing night because whoever got first aced every race in first, whoever got second aced every race in second, and whoever got third aced every race in third. We did 8 races, so Craig came in third with 24 points, I came in second with 48, and Kevin came in first with 72. So let's see how that affects our final league points. And here we are at our final league points for this race, this entire league. Alan is in 8th place with 26, Craig is in 7th with 64, Mark is 6th with 79, Josh is 5th with 237, Glenn is 4th with 255, Howard is 3rd with 266, I'm 2nd with 305, and Kevin won the league at 405 points. Alright, so here's Kevin, our winner for this league, the GT3s. How does it feel?
Feels fantastic. It was a tough race, but it held in and took it at the end. So had a really good time.
Excellent. Alright, see you next one.
See you next
And
one.
wasn't that a great, amazing slot car race? And if you would like to build the Nurburgring, don't forget to check out our masterclass on Patreon coming up here pretty soon. And now the moment you've all been waiting for. We are going to be doing a giveaway contest over on our Madcap Romanian channel. We're trying to get to 5,000 subscribers. So far we have 4,100. And once we hit the 5,000, I'll be giving this thing away. So for details, check out this video right down here when the credits get rolling. So again, thanks to all our drivers, congratulations to Kevin for winning, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this channel with all your friends and family, because in the next league we will be doing 1965, which would include like AC Cobras, the Ferraris, the Corvettes, the old Porsches, and many other cool things, including the Cheetah. If we can get somebody with their Cheetah to bring that up, that'd be cool. So until next time, everybody, happy slot car racing.